How to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. On Instagram app, make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the Create New button at the bottom, or simply swipe right anywhere in your feed to start a new post. Choose Post at the bottom, then tap Select Multiple to pick your images. After selecting your desired photos, tap Next at the top right. If you want to spice things up, apply your favorite filters now. Once done, tap Next again. Here comes the fun part, adding music. Tap on Add Music. You can select a track that Instagram suggests for you, or browse for something specific by tapping on Browse or using the search bar. When you find the perfect tune, you can also edit the song segment that will play in your post. You can set up to 90 seconds. For this post, I am going with 30 seconds. Adjust it to capture the best part of the song that fits your photos. Once you're happy with the music selection, tap Done in the top right. Now, finalize your post, add your captions and hashtags, and tap Share to show it off to the world. And that's it.